Godot 2D movement. Method 2. Prerequisites. Previous videos from this mini-series, Introduction and Method 1. Since Godot's coordinate system uses x for left, plus x for right, y for up, and plus y for down, we can use the arguments required by input.get_axis -1 and 1 to directly match the inputs with the movement axis, eliminating the more verbose, although functional, code used in method 1. See? Same efficient result but with a more professional and clean code. This tutorial was useful? Let me know on comment section. Bye.